Kiddooss! Hello friends, we are going to visit the farm. Come join us.
A dog has a puppy, soft and small, wagging its tail, having fun with all. Dogs are loyal friends. A cat has a kitten, tiny and sweet, little paws padding on quiet feet. Cats love to nap and play. A cow has a calf, strong and bright, drinking warm milk morning and night. Cows give us milk. A sheep has a lamb, fluffy and white. Baba sounds from morning to night. Sheep feel so soft. A goat has a kid, jump and play, hopping and skipping all the day. Goats love to climb. A pig has a piglet, pink and round. Pigs are very smart. A hen has a chick, yellow and small.
Wow, Grandpa,
Beep, beep,
can I
hear
see?
the little one call. Chicks stay close to mama. A duck has a duckling, splash and swim, waddling along with a cheerful grin. Ducks love the water. Animals big, animals small, mommies and babies, we love them all. Learn their names, sing along too. Animals and babies, fun for you.